First time eating green beans is not going so well. Here you go, sweetie. Ooh. Oof. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I know it's been a rough one. It's been tough, I know. Hey, you know? No pain, no gain. Here you go. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I know it's tough. I know it certainly isn't rice milk or anything. Yeah. Good girl. Your tongue stuck? What are you doing? What you doing? Ooh. Yeah, don't lose it. Ooh. I know. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. We're getting there. Okay.